Oh, well, I don't care what you think you are doing. But whatever it is, you can't just leave my house until I say so.
Says who?
I say so.
Tom, the last time I checked, I am human. I have a life. I have a right to live. I have a right to make choices for myself. You won't stop me from leaving this house.
You must be joking. Oh, okay, I see what you're expecting. You're expecting me to roll on the floor and start begging you, isn't it? Well, that will not happen. And if you want to leave, you can pack your things, but you keep it here until I say so. And then if you want to leave officially, let us have a divorce so that you can leave and let me know that I'm done with you. What is it?
It's fine. If that is the way you want it.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.